and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be working with Angiequeen hair. This is my first time working with this company, and I can honestly say I am beyond impressed by these curls, honey. These curls are so soft, it's not even funny. Mind you, y'all know lately when I've been getting the 4x4 closure wigs, it's literally been a T-part closure wig, not really a 4x4. This is the first 4x4 actual closure wig that I've received in a long time, and I was honestly hyped because lately, you know, I've been wanting my clothes to look like a frontal too, but with the T part and you really have space to pluck or even make baby hair, it kind of blows mine. So when I saw that this was an actual 4x4 part, y'all, I was hyped. I'm like, yeah, I'm about to get this money. Nah, but yeah, so as you can see, this is a closure wig, 4x4. It's given frontal. Please stop sleeping on me, okay? I'm not sure what length this is. I'm gonna go ahead and probably say around, I don't know, 24, 26. Okay, I see people using this all over. I believe it's a red and a yellow one. I got the black one because it says it's it's sweat resistant, and it's a 20-time hold for lace. And y'all, I don't think I'm going back to Ghost Bond and Go Bond and all these other glues. I think I'm gonna stick with this because y'all, I think I put 2 layers and you blow dry it. But y'all, the hold is crazy. The hold is crazy. The hold is different. I was honestly not expecting this type of hold. I was expecting it to be like another, you know, got to be glue spray and got to be spray. But y'all, this hold is different. And like I said, I'm no longer gluing down my wigs. I will be using this as my glue because I like to switch it up. I don't keep my wigs on for long. Like I said, this is Angiequeen hair. I love this hair. Oh my god, the lace and everything is melted. Like I said, for this not to be an actual glue down closure, this is melted, okay? And listen, nobody's telling me nothing. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I highly recommend this hair. Like I said, the curls are so soft. I barely had any type of tangling with this curly. It's normal for the hair to get tangled when it's curly, but I barely had any type of tangles in this hair, and that's a plus. So like I said, I highly recommend. If you want the same exact wig, all the details will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it, let's go, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.